So friends, in my previous video you have seen what is the exact differential equation, what type of equation is called exact differential equation, and how to solve the exact differential equation. So now what we'll do, we'll take one example on what type of equation is called exact differential equation, and we'll solve one example here. Okay, so for example, they will not ask you directly solve that exact differential equation. Generally they will give the examples like this: solve y into bracket 1 plus 1 divided by x bracket complete plus cos y into dx plus x plus log x minus x sin y into dy. This is equal to 0. Now you are required to solve this equation. Now you have to find what kind of equation is this. See, observe this equation carefully. The given equation is of the form mxy, that is m dx plus n dy, where m and m is the coefficient of dx, n is the treated as a coefficient of dy, equal to 0. Now comparing the given equation with this m dx plus n dy, you will come to know that m is equal to, taking this y inside the bracket, m is equal to, you will come to know that y plus y by x, y plus y by x plus cos y, and your n will be coefficient of dy, that is x plus log x minus x into sin y. Now what we have to do, whether the given equation is exact or not. To check that, we have to differentiate m partially with respect to y, that is dou m by dou y is equal to, if you differentiate this partially with respect to y, what you will get? Dou y by dou y, that becomes 1. Then here 1 by x is treated as a constant, take that outside, again a dou y by dou y, that becomes as 1 by x. Then now see here, differentiation of cos is minus sign, so we have written minus sign. Then angle is y, here we have written y. Once again differentiation of y becomes 1, so we are not going to write that. So altogether dou m by dou y will be equal to 1 plus 1 by x minus sin y. This is dou m by dou y. Now what we have to do, we have to differentiate coefficient of y with respect to x, that is n is the coefficient of dy, that we have to differentiate with respect to x, that gives you dou n by dou x is equal to differentiation of x, that is nothing but what, with respect to x partially, so y is treated as constant, so this becomes 1, then plus differentiation of log x, which will be equal to 1 by x. Okay, then here in this case two terms are there, x and sin y. Since we are differentiating partially with respect to x, y is held constant, so this sin y function is held constant. Differentiation of x with respect to x becomes 1, so we are not going to write that. 1 into sin y is sin y, so directly we will write this as a sin y. So this becomes what? Now what we can observe here, this becomes minus sin y. So what we can observe, this dou m by dou y is 1 plus 1 by x minus sin y. Dou n by dou y is 1 plus 1 by x minus sin y. So what it says, dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x, which is the condition for the exactness. So the condition for the exactness of the given differential equation is satisfied. So what we can say, this given differential equation is a exact differential equation. You can write it as exact differential equation. Once it becomes exact differential equation, then directly how you are going to write the general solution? The general solution is given by integration of coefficient of dx. What is that? Y into 1 plus x plus cos y, that should be integrated with respect to x. So we are considering that as a dx, integration of y into 1 plus 1 by x plus cos y dx. Okay, integration, where you should write this as y treated as a constant, or y is constant. Then next, now coming to this part, so you have to integrate this coefficient of dy with, that is n, with respect to y, where you should consider, while doing this process, you should consider the terms not containing x. See here, this term also contains x, this term also contains x, this term also contains x. So no term, all the terms are containing x, no terms are free from x, so that term is treated as 0. We can write that as a 0, and equal to integration of constant becomes what? C, integration of 0 becomes a constant, some constant c, or you can write it as c1, c2, or any other things k1, k2, like that. Okay, then after writing this term is anyway 0, this is c, this is kept constant. Now we need to integrate only this quantity with respect to x, where y is treated as constant. So since y is treated as constant, I will take this outside the integral sign. Then I will integrate this term by term. Since integration is a linear operator, I will take it integration of this 1 plus 1 by x term by term. Okay, so this becomes as y into integration of x becomes integration of dx, that is nothing but x, integration of 1 by x, that is nothing but log cos x. Now here coming to this part, coming to this term, integration of cos y. Anyway, you are integrating with respect to tx, y is treated as constant, take that cos y outside, it becomes integration of dx, so integration of dx is x. So rearranging the terms, you can write it as ex into cos y is equal to c. This is the required general solution of the given differential equation. Okay, now I think you got it, how to check the condition for exactness, and how to solve once it becomes exact, how to solve the differential equations. Now if you like this video, you please subscribe my channel and share this video among your friends, so that more and more number of people can see this, and they can understand how to solve the, how to check the given differential equation is exact, and how to solve this equation.